First, I'll answer question number 1. The author talks about work-life balance as work, then life after work. On page 252, the book says is a shared time between work and life. Work life, from my perspective, is more my free time, and when I'm not working, I'm doing school. I work and go to school and much manage my time based off both. For question number 3, I have to balance my work and life almost constantly. I have work, school, and baseball that take up most of my time. I have to balance what my priority is. I have to cut back on my hours on work to deal with school. I think the book would compare this to a boundary as a separate work and life. For question number 4, I think the book is missing on how to work or how work can affect your personal life, with your relationships with friends and family. It also really doesn't bring any tips of how to deal with any of the issues they brought up. Lastly, I think the book should have separated the categories by free time and everything else, as it doesn't mention school, family, and any activity you may have going on in your life.